welcome. Happy Monday. Don't know when you're gonna see this video, but can I just tell y'all, I just did a little Temu haul. And you guys, stay tuned because there will be some Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money videos coming to y'all quite soon. Anyways, hi, if you're new here, my name's Rhonda and I ramble. Welcome to 2023 where Rhonda does less editing and gives you guys more of herself. So I censored myself for way too long. Guess what, Buttercup? You get all these. All these. It's a Monday and I haven't had all my coffee. So, whew. Anyways, we are unboxing our January Slayglam box. And y'all know that I love Slayglam because you get a buku, I'm like censoring my words, buku amount of makeup in here. So if you are looking for makeup, a lot of the times it's like brands that I'm not very familiar with, indie brands, and I get so excited over Slayglam because man, they be coming in clutch. Yes, I have a house full of teens, so I can talk like that. And if you have a problem with it, just click off. I don't want to hear about it. Mama, I'm just getting sassier and sassier in my old age. A lot of people say once you hit 40, you have 0 F's left to give, and I'm gonna have to agree with y'all on that. I really do. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up real quick for y'all so I can give you, I think it's like $25 for the box. Slayglam box. And she was kind enough to give us a coupon code. It is Hotmess. It is gonna save you money off your first box. I think it saves you like 10% and you end up getting it for $21 or something. So this is 5 to 7 beauty products in each box, and it's going to be things like makeup, beauty tools, or even fashion. Ooh, get at least triple the $24 retail value. So 24 times 3. It's a good amount. All right, there we go. So if you're new here, again, my name is Rhonda. This is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, and we keep it cute or put it on mute. But before we jump into holy guacamole, shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I really do appreciate you all. So the box is freaking adorable, and everything came packaged up beautifully, which we love. You can get this box for like $21 and change. What I was gonna say is follow Slayglam box over on Instagram, and while you're there, follow me too. I'd really appreciate it. Hotmess Momma 4, but if you follow Slayglam, they're really good about showing sneak peek spoilers to really get you excited. You're never locked in, by the way, to this. Oh my gosh, how fun. Okay, so I don't see a card in here, but I do see this funness. So this is the liquid lip stitch. Look how cute this is. It's like perfect for the new year. A little champagne looking bottle. Oh, I like the color. I like the scent. Let's do it. Oh yeah, I really like this color a lot. This is freaking adorable. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? It's a really nice, soft, clean scent. Let's see, I've got some, let me wipe it off because I will make a mess of myself and I'm not trying to do that. So that's the first item in here. That is really cute. And then next, look at this gorgeousness. This is by Rasha B Cosmetics, and I think it's like a duo liquid, maybe shadow. Oh my gosh. It may be even like a tri-color. I don't know. Do you see all these colors? Yeah, I would say it's a duo. Oh my gosh, so it's like green and burgundy. Oh, that is beautiful. Ooh, I really like that. Holy moly, that is freaking stunning. Okay, if you're new here, I love glitter, sparkle, all things shimmer, like yes. Okay, so I'm struggling. That is gorgeous. Gotta focus. Okay, ready? Next in here, we also have, this is a Crown Copper Rock Waterproof Eyeliner. Eyebrow pencil. That's a fun color. And I love the fact that just out of these 3 products, you guys, look how cohesive in color everything is. Like that to me is something that my brain can wrap around. If it's too much, like listen, ma'am, I already got enough going on up in here. So if you start throwing a bunch of like at me, I'm just like, oh, it's too much. It's too much. So I love the fact that's cohesive. Next in here we have the glowing palette, face palette from Okalan. And this is the back of it. Let's see. Oh, this is fun. Look at that. It's a highlighter palette. That is gorgeous. Now, I'll be honest with y'all, I have a ton of highlighter palettes, and even though I want to touch it so much, I feel like I should probably share this with you all, which stick around, subscribe, because I will be coming back with a giveaway. I've got to put it together. I really like doing that multiple winner giveaway that I did in December, so I'm thinking maybe I'll try and do something like that once a month for you all, even if it's just 2, you know, like why not, like share the love. So anyways, that's the next thing. Oh, it's so hard, but I should share it with you guys, but this is really nice. Okay, so don't get mad at me that I'm not swatching everything, but like in all honesty, this is what I do for a living. I play in makeup, and I also am thankful enough to get enough makeup that I can share it with my friends. I can donate as well, so look for that in a future giveaway. A big shout out, speaking of that, to Slayglambox for sending this over in PR. Okay, what is this gorgeousness? Oh my gosh, this literally reminds me, box-wise, kind of like giving me a little bit of Pat McGrath vibes, just a little bit, just a little bit. I know the boxes are with hers are bougie, but okay, you gotta be smarter than the box, Rhonda. How do you open this? It literally looks like it opens like this, yes. Oh my gosh, look at this. How cute. All right, so this brand is called Moria, I think. You guys see that? So this is what I'm talking about, where it's like brands that I've never heard of before. Oh my God. Wow, this is beautiful. Kind of gives me Lime Crime vibes. Is this maybe a dupe? I don't know, but it is gorgeous. Oh, I've got to touch the center one. Okay, here, once again, kudos to Slayglam, because this palette, okay, it feels absolutely amazing. Swatches beautifully, just those 3 shades. Look at that. I don't know anything about this formula, but look, y'all, once again, we're cohesive. We are 100% cohesive. I honestly wish more subscription boxes would do that, you know? Like we just saw, which one did I just unbox? I can't remember which one I just unboxed, where everything was very cohesive. I think it was the Chic Beauty box. And that made me so happy because, like I said, I have a lot going on up in here. So I don't like want to short circuit my brain. And honestly, like even with the glowing palette here, you still have, like, yes, you've got these fun, bright, vibrant colors that you could use as shadows as well, but you've got colors that are also going to work beautifully and complement this palette with your lips and the eye topper as well. And I love that. I really love when I see brands like putting that extra effort in there so everything makes sense. It doesn't look like, hey, I got a really good deal on this palette and on this lipstick and on this and that, and I just chucked it into the box and called it a day. You know what I mean? So kudos to you, Slayglam, because this palette, or these palettes, this selection of stuff, literally, y'all, $24, 21 with the coupon code HOTMESS. You are definitely, most definitely getting your money's worth. So I can't wait to play with this palette. This is such my color story. Like when I think of me and colors, like I have berries on today. I love that. I love the neutral. I love the berry colors. I love that chocolatey color in there. Like this is an excellent, excellent box. I mean, you guys, what are your thoughts? I mean, I will be back to use, I can't wait to use that, to use some of these products for you all. I'm very pleased with this. Slayglambox is really coming in, coming in hot. I almost said coming in clutch, but I didn't want to, you know, get y'all too much with all my teenage lingo. But my gosh, like you literally just can't beat it. Like this, I'm really pleased. very pleased. So thank you once again to Slayglam. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. They send it over and they say give us your, you know, honest review, and honestly, you guys have really stepped it up. Like, you are a force to be reckoned with. So anyways, y'all, that is all for today's Slayglam box unboxing. If you do want to pick it up, like I said, I'll have it linked down below with my coupon code. It's not an affiliate code or nothing like that. It's just a way that you can save money, and if anything, it just kind of lets Slayglam know that I kind of sent you that way. I'm really pleased with this box. I'm a little like, I don't even have words. I'm so excited. So, and I love that it's a color, like a lip color that I will truly honestly use. I mean, hello. So anyways, friends, let me know your thoughts down below. I will be back, of course, to play with this palette for you all, and stick around for a future giveaway coming soon, and check me out on my other channels. I'm so shook. Hotmess Momma vlogs for some curvy girl fashion hauls over there. Hotmess in the kitchen, well, for some cooking and chatting. I just chat everywhere. I'm on Instagram and TikTok at hotmessmomma4. And once again, huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you guys bunches and bunches. If you made it to the end of today's video, thank you all so much. I definitely appreciate it. If you don't mind helping me out a little bit more and hitting that like button, feel free to share this video as well. That definitely helps. 2023, we are sharing and caring. So anyways, until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
Gotta understand